What's going on, folks? We got some deer cube steak. We're going to cook it in the Dutch oven inside the burn barrel here. We're going to season it up. This is garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, and some Mrs. Dash's original, no salt. I usually mix up my own seasoning mixes so we can control the salt level, because most pre-mixes have too much salt and you can't put as much seasoning. I wanted to use Worcestershire sauce, but I didn't have any, didn't realize it. So we're going to put a little soy sauce. Now that we got all this mixed up, we're going to let it rest. We're going to get our Dutch oven, get it preheated in the barrel. We got a good hot bed of coals. Dutch oven's good and hot. Put a little grapeseed oil in there. And we're going to start browning these off. Now these are good and browned up on both sides, we're going to take them off. Now that all of our meat is browned, we're going to throw in our onions. Alright, we had to get us a little clamp to help hold it in place. But getting our onions browned up here. Then we're going to put in some minced garlic. We're going to give that garlic about 2 or 3 minutes. When it becomes real fragrant, then we'll put our meat back in. Alright, now we'll go back in with our meat. Now we're going to go in with 2 cans of Campbell's Golden Mushroom. We'll put some water in here and rinse out the cans. A little more water. A little more of our seasoning that we put on the meat to start with. And a splash more soy sauce. And once you get it all mixed up, we'll taste it for seasoning. A little more seasoning there. We'll stir that up and put a lid on it. We've had the lid on it for about 10 minutes now. Oh yeah, we got a good simmer going. We're gonna taste it one more time for seasoning. Then we'll let it cook for another 15-20 minutes and we'll plate it up. I think that's good. The only thing it's missing is some mushrooms. I forgot to get mushrooms, but all right, it's been simmering for about 20 minutes. And we're going to plate it over rice. As y'all can see, I've already tried it once. The camera wasn't recording. So let's taste it one more time for you guys. Got the gravy and the rice here. And then the cube steak. Nice and tender. This turned out really good for the old burn barrel. Guys, if y'all like this video, please like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments which type of videos you like better. This one was just a cooking. Some of our others show fishing and camping. Let us know what you like the best, what you want to see more of, and we'll see you next time.